HoMedics UV Clean Phone Sanitizer, faster than any UV sanitizer on the market, kills up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses at the DNA level, mercury and chemical-free. Portable protection. Keep your phone clean by utilizing patented pop-up technology and UV-C LED sanitizing. After use, conveniently collapse flat to transport between your purse, backpack, suitcase, gym bag and more to kill up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Full coverage, with 2 UV-C Germicidal LEDs at 70 cycles per charge, completely surround your phone for optimal sanitizing in just 30 seconds per side. Lighting position ensures maximum coverage and effectiveness. Safe sanitizing, free of mercury and chemicals with an advanced safety lock to prevent UV exposure. Sanitize and disinfect both sides of your item in just 1 minute with rechargeable LEDs that last for thousands of uses. Multi-use functionality, designed to fit a variety of phone sizes including larger models like iPhone 8 Plus and Google Pixel 3. A vacation and travel essential, are great for use at home or the office. What's in the box? 1 HoMedics UV Clean Portable Phone Sanitizer. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.